Welcome, credit snipers. This is your boy Carlos Estrada with the best credit blueprint. Guys, I'm excited that you guys are here today. Today's January 1st of 2022. So guys, we made it. We are here today. Now I want to help you start taking charge of this year. Start taking charge of your finances. Start taking charge of your life. Why? Because it's going to serve you, serve your family, serve everybody around you, not only for you to be that example, but you can also have the things that you deserve, that you want. Guys, we live in the United States. United States is for sale. The United States for us to buy whatever we want, for us to have control of what we want in life. But you know what? You need to make sure that you take charge of what you have in hand. Make sure that you're responsible and ethical in order to do so. And you can live very well. So it is time. If last year you didn't have the finances that you really wanted, guys, let's take charge. Let's fix our credit. Let's get to where we want to go today. Now, the goal here today is what I want to do is I want to teach you a 90-day plan in order for you to change your credit, in order for you to increase your credit report, to increase that investment the next time that you actually go to a creditor. Now, guys, stay tuned. Welcome back. Once again, I'm Carlos Estrada. Hey, thank you for being here today. And I know today is the first, and if you are here today or the day after, guys, don't worry. What I want you to do is, if you're new on this channel, I want to bring value to you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon. Click on all. Why? Like that, you'll be notified every time that I post a new content. And guys, it is every day that I post something new. I want to help you. I want to bring value to you in order to help you every single day. Remember, we have a 90-day plan, and the 90-day plan is going to bring you some type of value every single day. So stay tuned. I want to make sure that I help you. This content is free, and I want to help you. My goal is to help thousands and thousands of you. So what I need you to do is please help me out with a thumbs up, so like that I could reach more and more people every single day. Now, guys, let's do a 90-day plan. Now, let's just say today is the first, and I'm not saying this is you, but like a lot of people out there, today is one of those days that people do New Year's resolution. They go to the gym, right? So when they go to the gym, what do? Hey, you know what? I want to lose so many pounds, or I want to make so much gain, or whatever the case is. But if you were to actually do that and go to the gym today, to trying to gain or lose whatever you want to actually gain or lose at the gym, do you have the better possibility of making those gains if you were doing it by yourself, or if you had a trainer? Well, the answer is the trainer, right? So something that I want to tell you is, if you want to learn, if you want to be guided, if you want to actually know the path of release resistance, you also got to be able to follow that person that already been there. So this is why a training, this is why a coach, this is why a mentor is the way to go anytime that you're trying to get somewhere. Guys, we are the best credit blueprint, and I created the best credit blueprint. Why? Because it is a blueprint that I follow. It is a blueprint that I created for myself and want to bring to you, so like that I can help you. So today I want to give you three tips that are going to help you over the next 90 days in order for you to take control, start seeing some change dramatically on your credit report, and like that you can start seeing some of the things that you are able to do that you never thought you were able to do. Guys, let's be realistic. We didn't learn finances in school. We didn't learn finances in high school or college. Even some of us that has masters and doctors, now one class was how to balance your checkbook, or how to actually have a perfect credit, or how to even make money in this world other than just having a job. Guys, as we have learned, things have completely changed because of this pandemic. People are actually working from home. And if you don't have control of what you have in your bank, guys, you are going through your finances. So let me do this for you today. I want to go ahead and help you so that you can take control, learn about your finances, learn about everything that you could do with credit, and even starting a business if that's your choice. Let's start. Step number one, I need you to take control. How you're going to take control is learning your credit report. if you never had a credit report or you never knew what a credit report was, guys, all you need to do is go to freecreditreport.com. You could go to Credit Karma, which is free. You go to My Experience, which is free. Now, in the bottom of this video, I'm going to put a link. It's for My Score IQ. This one is a paid service, but I want to give it to you for 7 days for free. It is a special link that I have for you. Check it out. No, you don't have to keep it after the 7 days, but compare it to everything else. You have 7 days in which is free. Go for it. Check it out. I will advise you. That's what I use personally. Why? Because I want to make sure that I have a monitoring service. And what they do is they check daily. I mean, I get different alerts in the middle of the night, during the day, but I get them every single day whenever I'm actually doing a transaction, when I'm actually going for another credit card, or when I'm going for some lending, which I love, because you never know what could be out there, especially if somebody's taking your identity or doing some type of identity theft. Now, keep in mind that 77% of everything that is in a credit report or that's in the credit report in the United States is inaccurate. Guys, if you don't know your credit report right now, it is time for you to take charge. You need to know. Just like you know your credit report every single day, you should be able to not only look at your credit report every single morning and your checking account. Those are two things that I advise you to start taking charge and making sure that you know where you at every single day, especially with your money and your credit. Guys, everything that we focus on or we put a mind to, it expands. So if that's what you're going for, that's what you want to actually get better at, put your focus on. All right? That's the rule of the universe. Second, know what to look on your credit report. Now, a credit report, it has so much information that I understand at first could be so overwhelming. Guys, we can teach you, we can walk you through it. I mean, as we go through different videos, check out our library of videos. We have different things and we can help you how to read a credit report. But the more you look at it, the more you become familiar at it. Now, it says that you have in order to become an expert at something, you need to do 10,000 hours, right? Well, guys, we have more than 50,000 hours together in a company between myself and my partners and everything that have to do with credit reports. So we know the credit reports in and out. So if we see your credit report as a snapshot, we know certain things that are wrong, and how we could help her out and how we could fix it and what we could do in a matter of days, not hours. Days, hours. We could do it in hours, but I'm going to tell you days and weeks. Why, guys? Because it takes a while. I mean, just like anything, if you want to become a better ball player, if you want to become better at driving a vehicle, if you want to become better at being a mechanic, a dentist, I mean, the more you do it, the more you try, the more you learn how to actually be better at that trade. Just like credit, guys. I need you to start learning this. This is something that should become a secondary thing, not a secondary, but a primary thing in your life. But as you do every single thing every day, like I said before, every morning, just once you have your routine, one of the routines should be, hey, let me just take 5 minutes to check my credit and check my bank account. I need to know my money is there, and I need to know that my credit is where it's supposed to be. Also, get the monitoring service, guys. It will save you a lot of headaches. It will alarm you or alert you anytime something happens that you don't know. And sometimes we do things that we don't remember, but it's good to have something that alerts us. So that's the second step. Third step, I need you to learn what a Tradeline is. Now, I'm going to give you a free gift because I appreciate that you guys are here today and I feel great this year. Now, in the bottom of this page it's called the Tradeline cheat sheet. Go in there, click on the link. It's a free gift to you guys. It's going to show you the steps, what a Tradeline is, how you do it, how you get it, how everything about a Tradeline. Now, guys, something that I could tell you is a Tradeline is something that it is not cheap, but it'll help your credit report tremendously. Now, as part of the Best Credit Blueprint member, we have worked out a plan with one of our vendors. Our vendor will give you 75% off of every Tradeline of our competitors are actually offering right now. So that's a gift to you guys if you ever decide to become a member with the best credit blueprint. Now guys, let me just give you a little snapshot of what a Tradeline is. So a Tradeline is anything that you have in your credit report: bank loan, car loan, and house loan, a credit card. Now in this case, I want to concentrate on what's called the AU, Authorized User. Now an authorized user is, let's say for example, you have your spouse, you have your wife, you have your sister, brother, and they have a credit card that is in good standing. Now the focus here, or the goal here, is for that card to be no more than 20% utilization. When I mean 20% utilization, is that, for example, the credit card is at $100,000 credit limit, but your mom, brother, sister, whoever is owning this card is using only $20,000 or less. That's 20%. That's just for conversation's sake. Now, if they have a $100,000 credit card, they're doing great. Not everybody has one of those. So, hey, you should definitely have one of those in your credit report if you can. Now, without going more in detail, the goal here is for you to be an authorized user. So that means that you are piggybacking of that person's great credit utilization, and great credit score, and you piggybacking it onto your credit report. That's what is called a Tradeline. Now guys, this will help you tremendously. Now I'm going to give you a little bonus on this one. Rent reporters. If you don't own a house, and even though if you own a house, I advise you to get with rent reporters. They will report to the credit bureau, and this will help you increase your credit score. Now guys, one thing that I want to go ahead and emphasize specifically about Tradelines is, if you ever put a freeze or a block on your credit report, more than likely, almost 90% of the times, that Tradeline would not report to your credit bureau because of the block. Now guys, I hope this helped you. This is 3 steps in order for you to start a plan over the next 90 days. My name is Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. I'm excited that you guys are here today. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We're going to have more nuggets. Now guys, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. If you have any topics that you guys want us to talk about, hey, put them in the comments, guys. I appreciate that you guys are here today. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon and also on the bell so that you'll be notified. Give me the thumbs up. If you love this content, please give me the thumbs up. I want to make sure that I reach more and more. I want to help you. I want to help thousands to actually build their credit and be able to afford the things that they couldn't afford last year. I want to make sure that you live the life that you deserve. My name is Carlos Estrada, Best Credit Blueprint, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.